Here we are on my test bench. I'm going to take a few minutes to explain what I do when I do the final test on the PRC77 that I work on, whether it's to tune up or repair. This particular PRC is serial number 177665. We've got it set to 53 megahertz for a test frequency. We're going to be testing for both the power output using the URM 120 watt meter. We're going to be testing for frequency accuracy using the URM 326A frequency counter, and we're going to be testing for intelligibility using an R442 receiver, also set for 53 megahertz for a test frequency. We will also be using another PRC77 to transmit to this radio set so that you can hear the intelligibility of the voice coming out of the handset. And if it seems a bit strange when what you see on the screen when we're talking on the radio, it's because the microphone on this camera is on the side, so I have to offset it a little bit to more accurately get the output of the loudspeaker and the handset. So here we go. The first thing we'll do is test for the power output, and we'll depress the push-to-talk on the handset. Here we go. And it looks like we have about 3.6 watts there. And at the same time, we'll look at the output of the frequency counter. Here we go. Let's see, 53 megahertz and 933 hertz, 2517 off 53 megahertz, which is really a small number considering the specification calls for plus or minus 3.5 kilohertz. By the way, I use the TM1158320 66735 specification for both the output power and the frequency accuracy. Now we'll check on the intelligibility when transmitting, and I've got to turn on the test receiver. There we go. It takes a few seconds to come on as it still uses front-on vacuum tubes. There it goes. So now we'll depress the push-to-talk and give it a test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got a little bit feedback there. Now we'll put the camera by the handpiece, the handset, and we'll go from the other PRC into this receiver. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's about it, folks. That concludes our test. Thank you for watching.